Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create auto-inverting line art in Photoshop. This is our final look. We'll start from where we left off in our previous episode, where we had this auto-inverting white text. Let's go to the layers panel. Disable the adjustment layers on the text layer. Let us show the signature layer. First, we need to convert the signature to white and also get rid of the white background. Press Ctrl I, Command I to invert the layer. Change the blending mode to difference. If we were to follow our previous approach, we would apply the two adjustment layers, select them both, hold Alt, Option mark, and drag them above the signature layer to duplicate them. Clip them to the signature layer by holding Alt and clicking on the line between them. Show them. Let us do the same thing we did on the text layer. Double click on an empty area of the signature layer. And uncheck blend clipping layers as group. But that poses a problem where we have a background turned to gray. That means this approach needs a little bit of work. Let us cancel out. Let us temporarily disable the adjustment layers. Change the mode back to normal. Let us get rid of the black background. The first thing you might learn to is the Magic Word tool. Click on it. Click on the black background. But this approach would leave us with the gray areas at the edges. Press backspace, delete mark to get rid of the black areas. If we zoom in, you realize we are having some gray areas at the edges. Let me zoom out. Press Ctrl Z, Command Z on mark to undo. Let us use a much better approach. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Press V for the move tool. Go to the layers panel. Hold Ctrl, Command and mark, and click on the layer thumbnail of the signature layer. That will load it as a selection. Go to the channels panel. Hold the modifier keys, that is Ctrl Shift Alt, Command Shift Option on mark, and click on the RGB channel. That goes ahead and convert white as a selectable area and also finds the intersection between the black background and the white signature. Let's go back to the layers panel. Press Ctrl Shift N, Command Shift N on a mark to create a new layer. Let us call it Extracted. Uncheck Use Previous Layer to create clipping mask. Click OK. Let's hide the signature layer. Assuming the background color is white, press Ctrl Backspace, Command Delete mark to fill the selection with white. Press Ctrl D, Command D to deselect. Change the layer blend mode to difference. Let us enable the two adjustment layers. Double click on an empty area of the extracted layer. Uncheck blend clipped layers as a group. Click OK. Let us reposition the signature. And there we have auto-inverting line art. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.